So today we are going to do a nice little quick intro to Nuxt. I've used Nuxt for a long time. I'm a big fan of it, and I just want to show everyone how to use it. So if you are using Nuxt and interested in this intro, throw me a subscribe because in the next coming weeks, I am going to be making a full mini-series on Nuxt, stuff like SEO and all of that good stuff as well. So you can check that out and you will be in the loop. But for now, let's go ahead and start at the very beginning of just setting up our Nuxt project, and we'll make it easy and quick for you here. Okay, so we're sitting here in VS Code, pretty nice place to hang out. If that's not the editor you use, you're still fine. This is gonna be pretty editor agnostic for the most part. So we are gonna start with initializing here, npx nuxi latest init. I might have messed this up, but let's just call our project Grantley because that is my name. Okay, so let's see if this works for us. And it does. That's great. Okay, so it's going to ask us what package manager we want to use. I like to use npm. That is what most people seem to use right now. So we're going to go with npm. And we're going to just go ahead and install those dependencies. That's pretty nice. Alrighty, all installed. So now we're going to say, do we want to initialize a Git repo or not? For now, I am not going to do that. We'll do another video about Git and stuff. If you're unfamiliar with that, then definitely don't do it. If you know that you need a Git repo for this, you can go ahead and do that step. But I'm going to do no for now to keep it real simple. Okay, so good deal. It said we have created it, and all it needs to do here, all we need to do is cd into the new directory, cd Grantley. Boom, we're in there. We can look at what it created. Oh, look at that. Just a beautiful Nuxt project that we are ready to run. So we can do, just as they said here, type here npm run dev, and it's going to run our nice little development server. And it's going to put this right here in our localhost port 3000. So let's just see what that does. Oh, welcome to Nuxt. That's so good. So it looks like we've got Nuxt running. That's really all we need to do right now. Hang around for our next video that I'm about to drop where we're going to talk about Nuxt SEO.